Welcome to the best picks. The best food grade epoxy resin is probably one of the most versatile and essential materials for crafting stunning, food-safe creations, from elegant jewelry to durable, protective coatings for kitchen surfaces and serving platters. However, with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the selection process, highlighting key factors to consider to ensure you pick the perfect resin for your project, ensuring both safety and a flawless finish. Number 5. Promise Epoxy Resin Kit. It's so easy to use. The simple 1:1 mix is perfect for everyone, from beginners to experts. Get started on your next project today. This resin is food safe once fully cured. It's great for tabletops and other surfaces that come into contact with food. Create beautiful, functional pieces with confidence. Say goodbye to uneven surfaces. It self-levels beautifully, ensuring a smooth, professional-looking finish every time. Your projects will look amazing. Achieve stunning clarity and a high-gloss shine. It's perfect for showcasing your creativity and adding a touch of elegance to any project. It's designed to last. This resin is water-resistant and durable, protecting your creations from moisture damage for years to come. Made in the USA with over 40 years of experience. We're committed to quality and perfecting our formula for the best possible results. What we like? It's a huge value with a large volume. Its self-leveling formula ensures a flawless finish. If you need a food-safe resin for large projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Follow the directions. If you take shortcut, you are going to pay the price. Your epoxy won't set or you will have other issues. Mix for 5 minutes and then transfer to a second, clean container and mix for 3 minutes. I just used Alexa for this part. About the mixing, this stuff is hard to mix together. It is a little more expensive than most, but the results were outstanding. I did 5 pours and the finish was clear with no yellowing or hazing. Number 4. Art and Glow Epoxy Resin Kit. It's designed to work with our glow in the dark and other craft pigments for exceptional results. The easy mix ratio and generous work time are perfect for everyone, from beginners to pros. Our US manufacturing ensures a consistently crystal clear product. It includes special additives to prevent yellowing and a unique bubble-releasing technology. You get a finish that's as clear as glass. Each kit has 8 ounces of resin and 8 ounces of hardener for a total of 16 fluid ounces. It hardens to 80+ Shore D, making it food-safe and incredibly durable. It's also self-leveling, low-odor, and VOC-free, ideal for various applications, from tabletops to serving trays. It excels in both casting and coating. Create fluid art pours, seal paintings, or coat surfaces. Use molds to make jewelry, coasters, and more. The possibilities are endless. We're proud to craft this high-quality product right here in the USA. Our team is here to help with any questions you may have. Happy crafting! What we like? This resin is perfect for creating stunning, bubble-free pieces. It's made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. If you value quality and a smooth finish, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This resin is truly non-toxic, no stinky odor, very forgiving and easy to work with. Easy to mix, few bubbles, and sets brilliantly clear. The resin is very clear and hard to the touch, and really accents the piece. Number 3. Craft Resin 1-gallon Kit. Unleash your creativity with our premium epoxy resin kit. It's perfect for crafting stunning, durable pieces with a flawless finish. It delivers a crystal clear, glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. Create beautiful art, jewelry, or even coat your tabletops with it. Say goodbye to frustrating bubbles and uneven surfaces. This advanced formula automatically releases air bubbles for a smooth, professional look. It's non-toxic, odorless, and free of VOCs, making it safe for home and professional use, even on food contact surfaces. It cures completely in just 24 hours, resulting in a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish that can withstand heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit 95 degrees Celsius. Even beginners can use it easily. The kit includes everything you need: resin, hardener, mixing stick, gloves, and instructions. What we like? Get your project done quickly with this fast-curing resin. It's also heat-resistant, perfect for high-temperature applications. If you need speed and durability, this is your best option. What people say. Bubbles were minimal. I used a blow dryer twice and that got rid of the few bubbles. I was able to finish my project inside my house because there was very little odor. The finish looks like glass. Crystal clear. Reacts well with my torch when eliminating surface-level bubbles. Odorless. Strong and durable post-cure. It's more of a low viscosity and has very little bubbles. Can easily be removed by torch if any there. Dries crystal clear and hard. Super easy to use, 1:1 ratio. Number 2. Craft Resin 34-ounce Epoxy. Craft Resin is a premium epoxy resin kit, perfect for crafting DIY projects. It's easy to use and produces stunning, crystal clear results. This kit provides a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's ideal for various applications, from jewelry making to tabletop coating. Our advanced formula automatically releases air bubbles for a smooth, even finish. It's an innovation that simplifies the resin process. It's non-toxic, low odor, and free of VOCs and solvents. It's safe for home and professional use, even for food contact applications when used as directed. This epoxy cures completely in just 24 hours, resulting in a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish that can withstand heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit 95 degrees Celsius. The kit includes everything you need: resin, hardener, mixing stick, gloves, and instructions. It's simple to use, even for beginners. What we like. This low-viscosity resin is easy to work with and perfect for detailed projects. It's also food-safe and easy to use. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use resin, this is a great choice. What people say. Bubbles were minimal. I used a blow dryer twice and that got rid of the few bubbles. I was able to finish my project inside my house because there was very little odor. The finish looks like glass. Crystal clear. Reacts well with my torch when eliminating surface-level bubbles. Odorless. Strong and durable post-cure. It's more of a low viscosity and has very little bubbles. Can easily be removed by torch if any there. Dries crystal clear and hard. Super easy to use, 1:1 ratio. Number 1. Superclear Tabletop Epoxy. It's independently tested and certified safe for food contact. You can use it on surfaces that will come into contact with food without worry. Get an unparalleled ultra-gloss finish. It creates a stunning, mirror-like surface for your project. This epoxy resin protects your creations from yellowing. Your projects will retain their clarity and brilliance over time. It's compatible with various coloring agents. You have endless possibilities for creative and personalized finishes. It's formulated to withstand daily wear and tear. Your projects will remain intact and beautiful even with rigorous use. It's the ultimate bar top epoxy. It features self-leveling properties, high scratch resistance, and is water and chemical resistant. It's crafted with excellence in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's a top-quality, American-made product from a company with over 60 years of experience. It's available in various sizes, perfect for both small and large projects. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. What we like. This resin offers superior UV resistance, keeping your creations looking their best for years to come. It also provides an amazing super gloss finish. If you want a long-lasting, high-gloss finish, choose this one. What people say. It mixes well and is crystal clear. I use it to put down layers onto tabletops and to cast resin pens. Worked and cured well. Watch a few project videos first, and you'll be pouring resin like a pro in no time. Very low VOC, can be used indoors without mask as a result, which is huge. Took the dyes flawlessly. I had light gray base with blue and moss green details for walls, snow white for the ceiling. Every time I use Superclear, it turns out like a beautiful clear, level, even, glassy coating. It shows off the blue streaks in the ponderosa pine and brings out the intricate beauty of the bark edges. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.